Hello, and welcome to another feature tutorial about SureMDM. Today we are going to take a quick look at how to enroll a Datalogic device into SureMDM using Android Enterprise's QR code enrollment. Before we get started, there are a few configurations that you need to perform on your account. Let's take a look at what those configurations are. First, let's enroll your account into Android Enterprise. To do that, go into Profiles on the top blue bar. Then navigate to Enroll Android Enterprise. Select Enroll using your Gmail account and click on Enroll. On the next page, select Get Started and let's give it a name. Click Next. Once you've filled all the required details, hit Confirm. And on the next screen, complete registration. Next, you would need to install a plugin application that will make sure that no end-user intervention is required for enrollment. To do that, let's navigate to Jobs and click on New Job. Select Android and Install Application. Let's give it a name. Click on Add. And on this page, paste the link that is mentioned in the written documentation section. Let's make sure Install After Copy is selected and hit OK. Let's save this by clicking on OK. As you can see, the job was created successfully. Now I am ready to generate a QR code for Android Enterprise enrollment. To do that, click on Enrollment on the top blue bar and select Create QR Code. Let's give it a name. Select Android Enterprise Enrollment and hit Next. Select Skip NIC's Permission Checklist. Next, select the group that you want the device to land into and hit Next. Once I have successfully generated my Android Enterprise QR code, I can take a fresh out-of-the-box device or a recently factory reset Datalogic device that is on the welcome screen and scan this QR code using the two scanner buttons located on the side. Once I've successfully scanned the Android Enterprise QR code using the two scanner buttons located on the side, hit Accept and Continue. As you can see, I have a new device that is added into my console. Let's exit out of this box and navigate to Home. Here, as you can see, I have my Memoir 10 just recently enrolled. At this point, I will go ahead and select Apply, and first apply the COD profile to the device. Next, I will go ahead and apply the second created job. Let's apply the Install EA plugin job. As you can see, the device is now downloading the EA plugin. As you can see, my enrolled Memoir 10 has successfully installed the COD profile as well as the Install EA plugin job that we had created. Alternatively, you can also ensure that the COD profile as well as the Install EA plugin job both automatically get pushed to all new enrolled devices. Simply select the group that you want to enroll these devices into and select Properties. Click on Add and select the COD profile. Save this by clicking OK. Now let's add the EA plugin job to automatically deploy on all my new enrolled devices. To do that, select on Add and select the Install EA plugin job and click on OK. Once complete, these two payloads will automatically get deployed on all your new enrolled Datalogic devices. Thank you for watching.